Our recipe for today is Sotanghon spring rolls. We need to add all the ingredients. First, the Sotanghon. Need to add the thinly sliced cabbage. Add ground pork. Eggs, add black pepper, and lastly add salt. Now mix all the ingredients properly. It's time to wrap the Sotanghon mixture by closing each sides of the wrapper. You can put water to close that side. And these are the Sotanghon spring rolls ready to fry. Get a non-stick pan and put cooking oil. When oil is hot enough, you can start to fry Sotanghon spring rolls. When you see the color is golden brown, you can turn the other side. The other sides of Sotanghon spring rolls are well fried, so we can remove them from the pan. Finally, our Sotanghon spring rolls are ready. Come on guys, let's eat!